Ndande kwa namba ya 07 igoka icio ingi kioria ngai nenie kirate weko no ethaga tatua ni ukoretwo rite ngimenya ni mikora kwanyu niku ngimera kiirathe to gutire mundu no ri ndaiguire ni ndoyona Kameme FM ngiona namba ciakwa cia mbere Ndeia ngai wethe nesa no korera ndarerire ni ingera mundu ndakae gukua ngoro uthanaga 10 uthana kibao uthana 50 na igana uretweka mucindi muthenya
Over 18s only. Gaming can be addictive. Play responsibly. This message has been approved by the BCLB.
Kiumia mweri mirongo itatu July Kameme kayoka muingi na Kameme TV tonyitanire na ndungata ya Ngai Karago wa Muraya nituragwitira igongona ria gucokia ngatho akilaunch nyimbo ciake kuria Royal Stadium. Karago niaimagaritio ni nguthi cia wuini bururi-ini atungatiri atangathi megatu na atongoria thirikari ni Sunday tariki mirongo itatu July Royal Stadium kuingira ni free. Kuma Kirinyaga Kiri Biroiro Kiajahi Mutaburuko wa Nyandarua Orerorera Kameme TV.
Amukira ngeithi cito haria hothe uri mwiroreri mwende wa ceceni ya Kameme TV ni mwihoko witu ni warahukire thayo watindia thayo na hwaini waku ni muhoreru tugagicokia ngatho niwe gukorwo nyitanire na ithu hwaini uyu wa umuthi tukumenyithie maria matinda makihanika umuthi ari gatano ga kiumia tariki ni 21 mweri ni wa gathano reke twambe tumurike mamwe ma maria mari thiini wa mohoro-ini maitu ma Matuuraini. Mutongoria wa kiama kia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka gucemania na mabaruthi ya mabũrũri matiganĩte gwake mũciĩ Karen huku akiuga ohetwo kĩoho kĩa nyũmba nĩguo kũmũgirĩrĩria kũnyita itemi mĩrũrũngano-inĩ ya Azimio ĩrĩa ĩkinyire mũthia ũmũthĩ. Thirikari gutetera maabitha borithi kumana na ũrĩa marang'ethanĩire na arũrũngania ngwatanĩro ya Azimio na kuga ndikwirorera ringi andu magite mioyo yao na uthukangia wa indo cia muingi.
The country stands to lose up to 2.86 billion shillings daily.
Na ruhonge rwa iganda guku bururi-ini KAM kuga rukoretwo rugithie hathara ya shiringi bilioni 2.8 o muthenya kumana na mirurungano iria koretwo igitabanio icigo-ini itiganite guku bururi-ini. Macio nĩ matemo tu itekira kunyitanira na ithuĩ nginya rĩrĩa tũrĩgĩtiriha gũkũ tambũrũkĩria marĩa matinda makihanika muthenya wa ũmũthĩ. Niĩ ngĩkũnyita ũgeni njĩtagwo Gathoni wa Ng'ang'a, tũrateithania na Nyambura wa Mũca, mwathĩrĩri witũ na njĩra ya ciĩko. Tũkĩambĩrĩria mohoro maitũ, mũtongoria wa bũrũri Ndagĩtarĩ William Ruto nĩ atũgĩrĩtie rũhonge rwa borithi nĩ kũhĩtana na mĩrũrũngano ĩrĩa ĩkoretwo ĩgĩtabanio nĩ ngwatanĩro ya Azimio. Akĩaria arĩ kaunti-inĩ ya Murang'a, President nĩ augĩte thirikari ndĩgwĩtĩkĩria bũrũri wanangwo nĩ andũ eendi arĩa marenda kwĩguna ũkĩũmbe, na rĩu akĩũria rũhonge rwa borithi rũhĩtane na arĩa othe maragarara watho hatarĩ mũthutũkanio.
Rĩrĩ ngwatanĩro ya mũng'ethanĩro ya Azimio hamwe na ikundi itiganĩte cia gũtetera ihoto cia ũmũndũ ũndũ ũmwe na makanitha ithiĩte na mbere gũkĩra rũhonge rwa borithi kumana na ũrĩa rũkoretwo rũkĩng'ethanĩra na arũrũngani. Mũtongoria wa bũrũri Ndagĩtarĩ William Ruto nĩ eranĩire rũhonge rwa borithi rũtigwĩtĩkĩrio kwagarara watho. President ugĩte mũrũgamo wa thirikari yake nĩ kũnina njũragano cia kĩmumu iria ciatabanagio nĩ borithi hau kabere na maabitha arĩa marĩnyitĩkanaga marĩtũngagio marũrũ marĩa thirikari ĩrĩ hũthagĩra kũng'ethanĩra na arĩa maragagia thayũ wa mũingĩ.
The same way we said we are going to get rid of extrajudicial killing is the same way we are committed to making sure that there is no impunity, that you can destroy people's property, you can cause mayhem, you can cause anarchy and get away with it. You will not.
Akĩaria kaunti-inĩ ya Murang'a kũrĩa gũcerete thukuru-inĩ wa airĩtu wa Mũgoiri na wa anake wa Murang'a High, President augĩte thirikari ndĩkwĩrorera rĩrĩa andũ eyendi marenda gũthũkangia bũrũri nĩguo megune o kĩũmbe. Ona kũrĩ ũguo, President nĩatũgĩrĩtie borithi nĩ ũrĩa makoretwo makĩng'ethanĩra na mĩrũrũngano ya Azimio ĩrĩa ĩkoretwo ĩgĩcũngĩrĩra ikuũ na ũthũkangia wa indo cia mũingĩ.
And I want to commend our security agencies for being professional in how they have handled all these people. Criminals must be dealt with firmly, decisively, and make sure that everybody respects the rule of law and we don't encourage impunity.
Mĩario ya President nĩ nyitĩtwo mbaru nĩ mũnini wake Rigathĩ Gachagua na atongoria angĩ arĩa mauma nake.
Don't sit there and imagine that you can destroy property, kill people, and then the police can come and kiss you. It will not happen.
Ile task force ilikuwa formed ya kuangalia maslahi ya polisi wetu. Waharakisha hiyo kazi, tuongeze polisi wetu mshahara kwa sababu wanafanya kazi mzuri ya kuprotect mali ya umma na kusimamisha maandamano. The day before yesterday in Kameme,
Twambe tũrũgamie riboti cia hinahi iria tũrakĩamũkĩra atĩ ũrĩa warĩ mũtongoria wa kana wa bũrũri Uhuru Kenyatta arĩ mwena wa Karen mũciĩ-inĩ kwa mũriũ wake wa mbere Jomo. Gũkĩrĩkana maabitha borithi nĩ matharĩkĩire mũciĩ-inĩ wa Jomo magĩethana na matharaita. Tũthiĩ ĩmwe kwa ĩmwe nginya mũciĩ-inĩ Karen kwa mũriũ wake wa mbere Jomo Kenyatta tukimenye maria maragĩthiĩ na mbere thutha wa riboti kwĩrĩkana mũciĩ ũyũ nĩ ũtharĩkĩirwo nĩ maabitha borithi magĩethana na matharaita.
The chief licensing officer on Monday morning at 9, since the offices are closed tomorrow, to be able to understand the request and to also be able to understand how is it that we can facilitate that process. That's all. Thank you.
Perhaps what were the people that came here who are doing, what exactly were they doing? Perhaps have you been brought up to speed on what they were doing in this place?
No, we hadn't, except the fact that they identified themselves. Nothing else was put to us except that verbal order. I think that's all from our end.
All right. Habari yenu? Namna gani? Asante.
Mr. President, perhaps what brings you here this evening and what has happened here exactly?
Well, I got a report from my son that he had come to home, and as he was leaving, the watchman at the gate told him that there were people claiming, because that's all we can state for now, to be DCI officers in a vehicle with Sudanese registration and claiming that they want to speak and to see him. And I told them immediately, I mean, from my knowledge, when the police want to do something, they don't come in foreign number plates. Number two, they have a warrant. Number three, they state their case and they show and produce the warrant that is supposed to allow them to do whatever it is that they want to do. And I told them, don't open the gate. And unfortunately, I was in the office doing other work, so I just told them, just keep the gate closed. And I am now here, and I understand now they have left. Because I wanted to ask them, what are you doing in my son's home?
Do you believe this has anything to do with the ongoing protests and, of course, having the opposition?
Unfortunately, I have no other explanation to give, because all of these things are flowing in a row. I have a whole minister of government staying there that is going to do I don't know what in front of my mother's house. I have people who have been guarding my mother for the last almost 50 years, withdrawn at night. I have now a situation where my son's home is being raided for things that I don't understand. So I ask myself, what does this government want? Because if it wants me, the fact that I've been silent doesn't mean I'm scared. Come for me. What does my mother have to do with anything? What does my children have to do with anything? Kama shida yenu ni mimi, I'm here. Right? Yeah? They know where I am 24/7. Right? Why all this? Intimidate a 90-year-old woman. Intimidate children. Right? If it is me you want, come and tell us what you want. Yeah.
Mr. President, they have been claiming that you are behind the Azimio la Umoja protest and you're funding the protest. Perhaps, how do you reply to this statement?
You tell me, right? And I have said it severally. And that's why I keep saying, maybe silence sometimes is not right. Yeah? But I have ignored it because I have asked myself, how? How? Yeah? What does the issues that Kenyans are talking about have nothing to do with me? All right? Have you seen me in any of those events? Have you seen me talk about any of those events? Yeah? Now if you say that because of my association with Raila, am I not supposed to talk to my friends? Is that a crime in Kenya today? Yeah? Is that a crime? Maybe you should tell me. If it's a crime, maybe you should say, oh, it is a crime to associate with this individual, with this. I thought the only crime was to associate with terrorists. So are you telling me that they are terrorists? Because then that would be the only argument you would have. Or bank robbers or something. Right? Yeah. Yeah. But I thought we lived in a democracy in Kenya. I believed. Yes? And that's why I handed over, whatever. I may not have supported this government. Yes? But I accepted the will of the people, didn't I? You all saw me in broad daylight. Was I forced onto that field? Right? See, I did what I was supposed to do. So what else do you want?
Probably, are there any steps you're going to take after this from this
this incident, I leave to the lawyers. Because they should tell me what they want with my children. Yeah? Do they want? They've removed their security. Now I hear they want to remove their personal weapons. So what? Are they wanting to do that because they are planning something? And if they are planning something, yeah, my only plea, don't plan against my mother, don't plan against my children, plan for me. If it is me you want, leave them alone. What do they have to do with anything? Yeah? How many people are licensed to hold weapons in this country? Yeah? Did they not follow the right procedure? Tell us, tell the world. If it's a question of illegal weapons, then tell the world, yeah, these people have illegal weapons, right? But if they are licensed weapons, how many people in Kenya have licensed weapons, even foreigners? All right? See, they followed the procedure, right? See, you withdrew their security, so they're not supposed to defend themselves. What do you want now? What more do you want? Sema ingine.
Mr. President, perhaps now that this is happening, and does this in any way waver your support for Raila Odinga?
Why should it? That is my democratic right. It is my democratic right, yes, enshrined in our constitution that Kenyans voted for, right? That Kenyans voted for. Mzee Moi died as a member of KANU, and KANU ceased to rule this country in 2022. He died claiming I am a KANU life member. Was there a problem with that? Was there? Maybe you should tell me. Maybe there was a problem with that. Yeah? He died a KANU life member. To his grave, he declared himself a KANU life member, correct? Was there a problem? So what's the problem? Maybe you should tell me, maybe there's something that I don't understand.
Mr. President, the argument here has been that...
I'm not Mr. President, I am the fourth president.
Apologies, the fourth president of the Republic of Kenya, Uhuru Kenyatta. The argument here has been that if you continue politicking, then you may
Where am I
lose...
Have you seen me in any rally?
Declaring maybe...
Have you seen me in any rally?
Not really. But
have you seen me in any demonstration?
Not really.
Have you seen me anywhere except where? And all my functions are public. This government knows all the activities I have been doing, be it in Ethiopia, be it in DRC. I don't do it undercover. They know. Yeah. So which are these other activities? Maybe they should tell us. They're the ones who know. They have the whole system. Yeah? Instead of going onto cars to claim. See, that's what I'm saying. I'm here. Do you have to go and look for my mother? Do you have to go and look for my children? Right? Come for me. I'm here. Yeah? I'm here. In full view of you. Yes. So if you have those claims, sema. Shida iko wapi? Sema. Yeah. Another question? Yes, please.
There are also allegations that you financing the opposition to frustrate the government.
To frustrate them from doing what? To frustrate them from doing what? You know, when you're a government, you're elected to rule. You're elected not to rule, actually, to govern. And to govern in accordance with the wishes of the people. Yeah? I am a retired person. Yes? Why don't they deal with the issues and the concerns that Kenyans are raising? That's what they should be dealing with. Not looking for scapegoats. Yeah? Go deal with the issues that Kenyans are raising. Right? When I was in power, I was dealing with the issues that Kenyans were raising. Yeah? These are not new things. Yes? Go deal with them.
Have you perhaps had a tete-a-tete with the current president of William Ruto?
No. I mean, you have a tete-a-tete with somebody who wants to have a tete-a-tete with you. He has not shown any indication that he wants to talk to me. And as a retired person, why should I go look for somebody who doesn't want to talk to me?
Do you feel like perhaps the safety of your family is being threatened?
Absolutely, and that's why I'm here. Yeah? And as you know, I have been quiet. But being quiet does not mean I will not defend my family. I will defend my family. Right? And I will defend it to the end. All right? I defended Kenya and I did my best for this country. Okay? You may not think, whoever has that opinion, that is an opinion. But according to me, I did the best I could do for my country. All right? And I handed over when my time was finished. And I will now do the best that I can do to defend my family.
Mr. Retired President, you called a Jubilee Delegates meeting in 22nd, I think, February or May. And the question here is, don't you think that is a form of maybe actively participating in politics, trying to iron out?
No. And I said it when I was even right there on the platform. My idea and my plan was always to surrender my party. But what I completely rejected was the coup that was planned by this government to take over my party forcefully. And I said, let the members decide. But I will not hand over to some puppet group of people, all right, because they have government support. No, that is not democracy. Right? That is not to say that I was not willing to hand over. I wanted to hand over. I was prepared to hand over. But what I found to be completely illegitimate and unacceptable in a democratic state is to be forced to hand over to a group of puppeteers. No. Right? And I stood up and I said, let the members of Jubilee choose who they want to lead them. And that is the person I shall hand over to.
And the politicians you're referring to, these were actually your allies formally. Do you feel betrayed in any form?
I have no issue. They are free to do whatever they want. I can't comment about it. Whatever they want to do, that's their business. Right? My issue is the membership. It is the people. It is the agenda that Jubilee went to the election with. That is what needs to be defended. What individuals do, you go ask them themselves. Me, I carry no grudges against anybody.
And with the latest development in the party, what...
I don't, please. Why are you diverting to other things? Me, I'm telling you what I am here, what I'm talking to you about, is the fact that when I was president, I defended my country. As a retired man, I am protecting my family. And I will. All right? And I will not be intimidated.
Lastly,
so all of them can hear that.
Lastly, there has been a call for truce by
that's got nothing to do with me. Yeah, so truce, this, truce, that's not my business. Yeah, but leave my family out of it. And like I say, and I say once again, to you who think you can intimidate an old woman so that you intimidate me, who think you can intimidate children and grandchildren so you can intimidate. If you want me, come, here I am. Sijaenda pahali. Msiende kusema huyu ametoroka, ameenda. Niko na watu yenu, wanajua every second wanajua niko wapi. Yeah. Wachana na watoto, wachana na wazee. Mimi niko hapa kama mko na swali na mimi. Sawa? Yeah? Sasa hiyo watu sijui wameenda wapi. Waende, wakirudi, watarudi. Kama hawatarudi, wakae. Lakini kwangu, hii ni nyumba yangu. Yeah? Sio yangu, ni ya watoto yangu. Yeah? Na mimi nitalinda kama kila mwananchi mwingine. Atalinda mali yake. Yeah? Sio ndio haki ya kila Mkenya. Yeah? Na mimi siwaulizi wanipatie walinzi. Wakitaka kuwachukua, wachukue wote. Lakini wanipatie heshima yangu ya kulinda pia mimi mali yangu kama Mkenya mwingine.
Lastly, before you actually exited office, you had a meeting in Sagana and you said to the people that they will suffer after you exit.
I'm not going to comment about it. You know what I said. So if you want to know about what I said, yeah? Me, I don't try and hide from what I said. Kwenda kufanya search button kwa Google ama whatever, utajua nilisemaje. Na hiyo ni public knowledge. Si ni namna hiyo. Kuna haja ya kurudia. Kwenda Google tu ufinye button. Utajua. Ama namna gani? Na nawashukuru. Na ombi langu kwenu nyinyi kama Fourth Estate. Lindeni uhuru wa Wakenya. Yeah. Lindeni demokrasia ya taifa letu. Sina ingine. Hiyo ni haki yenu. Si ndio? Yeah? Na Wakenya wanawatarajia mfanye hivi. Sawa? God bless you. Thank you for coming and I appreciate it. Asante.
Ucio ni uria wari president wa kana wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta ari mwena wa Karen mucini kwa murio wake wa mbere Jomo Kenyatta gukirikana ati muciĩ ũcio nĩ ũgũtharĩkĩirwo nĩ maabitha a DCI arĩa megwĩkinyĩtie mũciĩ-inĩ ũcio na ngari ĩna namba ya bũrũri wa Sudan magĩethana na matharaita mũciĩ-inĩ ũcio no matinakĩhota gũkĩingĩra. Uhuru nĩaũrĩtie thirikari ĩtige gũthagathagia bamĩrĩ yake okorwo thirikari nĩ irakĩmwenda no ĩmũgĩre harĩa arĩ, maya makĩyumĩrĩtie thutha wa mũciĩ wao wa Icaweri gũkorwo ũkĩehererio arangĩri a maabitha a borithi. Oho nĩaugĩte atĩ we eho gũkorwo akĩgitĩra bamĩrĩ yake kumana na ithagathago ici na ndegwĩtĩkĩra kũguoyohio rĩngĩ. Uhuru nĩorĩtie thirikari ĩtige gũgĩthagathagia bamĩrĩ yake na angĩkorwo nĩ marenda gũkĩmũnyita arĩ gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ na ndakĩnyegenyũkĩte harĩa hothe akĩrĩ. Macio nĩmo marakĩyumĩria mwena wa Karen gũkũ kaunti-inĩ ya Nairobi nĩ thutha wa gũkĩrĩkana atĩ mũciĩ wa Mũriũ ũrĩa mũkũrũ wa ũrĩa warĩ president wa kana Uhuru Kenyatta ũgĩtharĩkĩrwo nĩ maabitha a DCI arĩa megwĩkinyĩtie kuo gwethana na matharaita mũciĩ-inĩ ũcio. Nĩ tũgũkorwo tũgĩikĩria kana tũgĩtirihĩra mohoro maitũ kwa ihinda rĩrĩ, nĩ tũgũkorwo tũgĩkwenjera mangĩ maingĩ marĩa tũgũkorwo tũgĩkũihũrĩra thĩinĩ wa mũtambũrũko-inĩ witũ wa mohoro thaa 3 cia hwaĩ-inĩ. Thiĩ na mbere na kwĩrorera ceceni ya Kameme TV, ngaĩkwendithĩria wĩroreri mwega. Niĩ njĩtagwo Gathoni wa Ng'ang'a tuma na Nyambura wa Wamuca, mwathĩrĩri witũ na njĩra ya ciĩko gĩa na hwaĩ-inĩ mũhoreru.
Cheza kama wewe na cheza sita. Wehotanĩre nginyagia maita 5,000 ma beti yaku teke teke. Yes, ni uhuthu. Hihinya *675# uthake na namba 6 cia munyaka kuma 1 nginya 6. Ikira mũigana wa beti yaku kuma 50 tu wehotanĩre nginyagia maita 5,000 hau. Cheza kama wewe na cheza sita. Wigire mweke harĩ mĩeke ya gũtuĩka mũhotani. Hihinya